Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Avid Media Composer for offline editing workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Avid Media Composer. Visit the official Avid website to download the software. Select the appropriate version for your operating system. Click on the download link and wait for the installation file to finish downloading. Once the download completes, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to launch the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the installation process. Review the license agreement and select Accept to proceed. Choose the installation location or leave it as the default setting. Click Install to begin the installation of Avid Media Composer. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take several minutes. Once the installation finishes, you will see an option to launch the software. Select Launch Avid Media Composer to open the application for the first time. Upon opening, you may be prompted to enter your Avid account credentials. Log in using your Avid ID or create a new account if you do not have one. Next, navigate to the project settings where you can configure your offline editing workflow. Select the Projects option from the main menu. Choose New Project to start setting up your offline editing workflow. Input your project name and adjust the resolution settings according to your needs. For offline editing, remember to select suitable codec settings that support lower resolution files. Once your project settings are configured, click OK to create the project. Import your media files by selecting the File menu and then Import. Navigate to the location of your media files and select them for import. Ensure to select the appropriate import settings for your workflow. After importing your media, configure your timeline settings to suit offline editing. Utilize the tools available in Avid Media Composer to organize and sync your footage. You are now ready to begin your editing process, benefiting from the optimized workflow designed for offline editing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.